Hi there everybody, just another quick update just to let you know where I'm at with the bike. This here, this lock is the seat release lock that goes in here, and this rod here goes from the back of the lock across into here, and it actuates the seat release. I've done a number of videos on that, and this is the last component to getting this bike back on the road, finished and rideable. This is the last thing. Now, in trying to get that lock rekeyed for the ignition, for the tank and for the seat release, and trying to get that rekeyed for that key, the key itself for the motorbike has gone missing. So what I have to do now, I'm in the process of stripping off all the fairing again, and there is another company coming in next week to take this away, to strip out the ignition, to strip out the tank lock, and to rekey the whole system again so that the one key does the ignition, the tank, and the seat release. So there I was at the final stage of getting this thing finished and back on the road, and I've got another knockback where I've got to strip the whole thing down again, get the bike taken away, the ignition stripped out, the tank lock stripped out, and everything rekeyed. So that's going to cost quite a bit of money, but there we have it. So back to the drawing boards for quite a bit. I've got quite a bit of work to do now, so got to get all the fairing off, got to get it on a truck, got to get it away and strip everything out and start again.